Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can build a text to SQL query generator. So I'm going to use CrewAI, not LangChain for now. I'll show you another video on how we can build using LangChain. We're going to use CrewAI. So just to give you a quick demo of how this project is being done, let me start by running the backend. So I'll run the backend you're currently seeing. So one thing you have to know is that we are not building a model. We are rather using we are using LLM, OpenAI, to build this text to SQL. We have connected to a database, and the database is running on Docker. So let me just show you where the database is running. We are running a MariaDB database. Just give me 1 minute. So this is the database that we are running, as you can see over here. So I am going to, we are now currently running the backend, so on this side. So let me show you how we execute it. I'm going to run the front end. Okay, this is the, let's see if it is running. Yeah, it is running. Then come back and refresh this side. Okay, there we have it. So I'm going to ask you some questions. So show me all the table we have in there in the database. So let's give it some time to think. Now we can still watch what is going back in the back end here. So this is how the backend is being executed by CrewAI. So it is thinking. Okay, there it is. The SQL query, this is the SQL query used to generate the tables, and then this is the table side here. So let's see what we have here in our front end. So as you can see here, this is the SQL query that has been generated, and these are the tables that we have in our database. So what I'm going to ask is another question. Show me the columns we have in tab customer. So we can still watch what is going ahead in the backend. So that query has been posted in the database in the task, and now it is being generated. Okay, now we have gotten it much quicker than I expected. Yeah, so this is the SQL query for getting all the columns in tab customer, and these are the columns we have: customer name, territory, and customer group. And then I'll ask it another question. Okay, I want oh gosh, show me revenue we have from a particular customer. Let's see what it gives us. There we have. So it's going to show us that our customer name, Acme Incorporation, the total revenue they have is 1,000, and this is the SQL query we have here. So as you can see over here, it seems like this query is being tested in the database that we have, and then it gives us here. So you can connect it with any database. So let me go back and explain to you the code here. So what are we using? We are using CrewAI, and a natural language tool. We give it a question, and then it gives us an answer. And look at here what we have. The first part is connecting to the database. As I told you, I have a local database here. So it's just a small one we have for the demo I created. And as you can see over here, this is how we initialize the database, and then the next phase we build an agent. Now this agent will need a task so that it can execute it. So what is the goal of that agent? The goal of that agent is to convert the question that the user gives and gives us the SQL query plus the tables that we requested. So I'll go ahead and show you here. Here this is the point where we give it a task. What is the task? You are given a question from that the user had posted, and then what is expected of you? You're expected to generate a SQL query. Now this is as you know, a CrewAI needs a task to a CrewAI, you give a task to an agent so that it can give you an answer. So as you can see, the name is a crew. It means that it is not just one thing happening. It is an orchestration platform for doing several things. So this is the entry point, and then once we have connected all the key parts in this class crew, we start executing, and then once it gives us an answer, we return it back. And the answer, as you can see on our side here, is this SQL query. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how we can add some other tools like web search tools in case of some failures. Like, for example, how can you connect to Oracle? The Oracle has some of their databases that are not publicly available. How can you connect to it? How can you be able to generate some SQL query related to those tables that we have in Oracle, like Oracle DB12? There are so many tables that we have. So for now, thank you. In the next video, I'll be showing you more about this. Thank you.